Did you wake up feeling heavy, like your body's moving in slow motion and your breath is stuck halfway? That's your nervous system begging for safety, stillness, a reset. Let's hit the mat. Start in a kneeling position, bring your big toes to touch, knees wide, and sink your hips back onto your heels. Stretch your arms forward, forehead to the mat. This is your nervous system's safe place. I promise this will decompress your spine, ground your breath, and calm the chaos before your phone tries to hijack your day. Beginners, keep your hips high if they don't reach your heels. Advanced stretches, crawl your fingertips forward until you feel the stretch across your ribs. Here's the thing. This posture actually quiets the amygdala, your brain's fear center. 1 minute of this helps you feel safe again. Sink in deeper. 5 more seconds here. That just calmed your nervous system. Now let's release the hips. Sit down with knees bent, feet flat and wide. Drop your right knee inward towards your left. Come back to center and alternate like windshield wipers. Move slowly with control. Most people only train rotation in the upper body, but this is hip integrity. I promise this unlocks tension buried deep in your hips, especially the kind that sneaks into your lower back. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try keeping your hands off the ground for added core engagement. Do you know that this move reveals imbalances instantly? One side tighter than the other? That's your cue. Five more seconds. Give your hips that full turn. That just woke up your foundation. Now let's restore control. From a kneeling position with your feet under your glutes, squeeze your glutes to lift your hips forward, then lower back down with control. Simple but effective. I promise this re-engages the glutes, unlocks tight quads, and reminds your pelvis how to move with power, not tension. Beginners, place a soft cushion under your knees. Advanced stretches, pause at the top and engage your core. Did you know that if your back hurts during this, your glutes aren't firing? Let's fix that today. Five more seconds. Squeeze, lift, reset. That just rebuilds your base. Now let's bring in some movement. Stay on your knees, place your hands on your hips, start moving them in big controlled circles, like you're drawing halos around your spine. This is one of the most underused mobility drills, and one of the most necessary. I promise, this rehydrates the spine, releases stuck fascia, and improves the lumbar movement without the strain. Beginners, keep the circle small and slow. Advanced stretches, widen your range and exaggerate the movement. Did you know that your lumbar spine isn't meant to stay still? It's meant to flow. Hold the biggest circle you've done all morning. Five more seconds. That just opened your spine. Let's finish with breath and posture. Interlace your fingers behind your back, roll your shoulders down, open your chest, and gently pull the arms back. Lift your heart, breathe deep. This is your posture reset. This is your statement to the world. I'm not shrinking today. I promise, the stretch reopens your lungs, corrects slouched shoulders, and resets your posture before you even reach your desk. Beginners, use the towel behind your hands. Advanced stretches, try lifting your arms slightly as you bow forward for a deeper stretch. Here's the challenge. Can you breathe all the way into your belly and hold this posture? 5 more seconds. You've got this. You just told your body it's safe, strong, and supported. Let's build on that.